Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. Recently, Clinique is having a sale where if you bought like a certain dollar amount of items, and I love the Clinique skincare, you can kind of get a bonus bag for free. So, if I got a bonus bag for free, I'm unboxing it, and I'm giving one of the items to one of you. I don't even know which ones are in here yet. Cannot wait. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, which are a lot here on the channel. Like you've seen in the past couple of videos, it was giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. So, can't wait for one of you guys to get one of these. I absolutely love the Clinique skincare. It works for my skin tone. I have more on the drier side, so it has this cute bag. All the products kind of come in here. The sneaky peeky. Definitely gonna need to put my glasses on for this tiny print. So, happy skin starts here. Put your best face forward and enjoy the best Clinique with this 8-piece gift. So the first thing in here is the actual, I have the full-size version in my bathroom that I'm using right now. This is all about clean liquid face soap mild. Dermatologist developed. Soap cleanses gently yet thoroughly. I absolutely love this. I always do a two-step. I take my makeup off first with an oil-based cleanser, and then I come in with this afterwards. My face has never felt happier. And at night, when my face, sometimes it can be a little dry. Like I said, I have the drier tone skin. This stuff, amazing. So this is the Moisture Surge 100-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. So it's our addictively refreshing gel cream with exclusive nutrient-rich aloe vera, bioferment, and hyaluronic acid to penetrate into the skin for 100 hours of hydration even after washing your face. Helps skin continuously hydrate for an endlessly dewy, plump, healthy-looking glow. Use under or over makeup or as a 5-minute mask. Guys, this stuff, I'm telling you, I just bought. One of the things I just bought when I did my big Clinique order was a full size of this. I mean, like literally, it's a drink for your skin. And it's not sticky or anything. It feels refreshing and light and like there's life back in my skin. One that I forgot to use today that I have a full size of is the All About Eyes. It is a lightweight hydrating cream, diminishes the look and puffs of under eye circles. It helps hold makeup in place. With a ring finger, apply sparingly to your entire area for a gentle patting motion. Use twice a day, morning and night. I do only use it in the mornings because that's when I want the deep puffiness going on, and I use different cream at night. You can also dab a little bit of this, like I put on my lower lip sometime, and help kind of plump the lips as well. We do have a full size from, it is, obviously all these things are Clinique. It is their quick liner. It's trademarked for eye intense black. Automatic pencil gives you the drama and instantly of a liquid liner in one simple stroke. No need to be subtle when you could say it louder with meaning. Ophthalmologist tested. It's one of the really good things I do love about the Clinique line is everything is ophthalmologist tested. Everything has a dermatologist backing everything that they do. Swivel up about 1/8 of an inch. Pencil does not retract to avoid exposing formula to air, which is drying. Recap securely after using to protect the silky formula. I love this. Also, a goodie is a high impact mascara in black. It kicks up the volume of each and every lash. That's for a look that's plusher, longer, bolder. Ophthalmologist tested. In case of eye irritation, discontinue use to your doctor. I love using this on my upper lashes. I do use a waterproof one of this exact same formula on my lower lash because I just don't want the transfer. And I have kind of like oily lids. So I'm excited about this. This looks cool. This is a Cheek Pop Heather in the shade Heather Pop Blush Pop. A vibrant yet natural looking color that looks virtually powderless. It's silky smooth, stay true formula with shades for every skin tone. This just pinched looks simply effortless. And I have more of like a cool undertone. So shades like this, if I can get it open. Yeah, this is going to be perfect. So just, you know, like that little flush. Love it. And from Clinique Pop Lip Color Primer Bear Pop. I love these that have the primer into them as well. It is a luxurious yet weightless formula. Merges bold, saturated color with a smoothing. Primer glides on effortlessly to modern velvet finish. Keeps lips comfort moisturized and color stays true. That kind of looks like this. It's a very, very pretty nude. I love this. Yeah, everything in here is a win for me. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Now let's do giveaway. What should we do? Let's give away that mascara because I just have a bunch of mascaras right now and I would rather give this away to one of you guys. So in the description box down below is a Google form link. Take these off. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And put on it that secret word that was spelled out, as well as your Google YouTube name. So I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. You can get bonus entries. Only fill out the form once, but mark on it if you did do those bonus entries. Only make sure you do. If you only mark them that you did do them if you did, because I do check. So how you get your bonus entries is one, go follow me over on Instagram. That's BeautyAmaB, which is BeautyAmaB, and then followed by the letter B. And then on Twitter, it's another way you can get a bonus entry, is that same BeautyAmaB followed by the number 1. And your third way is if you go share this video, because I'm really trying hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your help. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. And you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through June 10th at midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on June 15th, I'll take all the entry forms. I'll take the first name, first initial of your last name, and if you did do those bonus entries and I check that you did do them, and I'll put that into the computer. We'll see the names spin around. Computer picks a name. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over and I mail out everything to the winners, I will delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I take that very, very seriously. I do not sell your information. I do not create a distribution list. I am the only one that has access to it. So I can't wait for that. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!